Guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm outside and it's in the early morning, 12:30 in the morning, and I replaced the passenger side headlight bulb that used to be, because the other day my LED bulbs went out. So I have this in the glove compartment, so I installed it. So instead of me getting in trouble while driving, the police will stop you if your headlights are out. So I put this temporarily yesterday and ordered the LED bulbs from Amazon. This is a $15 pair. I don't know how long will it last, so I always keep a spare inside the car. So that's the difference. That's the white and that's the halogen white LED. So I'm gonna do a continuous video, no edits. So we'll replace this. We'll replace this. We'll replace it. Here you go. So you don't need any tools to replace it. Just grab your. Oh no, you need to take this off for the intake, air intake, so you have space. Now you can reach inside. That's the big cover. You just twist it, and it's on the extreme side, and disconnect the wire. I'm just gonna do it blindly because oh no, hold on, I can't take it off. Oh, it's hot. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let me get the replacement first. Let me get the brand new LED bulb from Amazon. So it goes that way. Okay, it goes that way. Make sure it doesn't touch anything. Okay. It's better to test this at night so you can see the the brightness. I already showed you the difference between a hold on, an LED and a halogen bulb. Okay, I need to be on my side. Hold on. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Okay. Need to be like this. Because I need to see if it's locking. Where is it? Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna do this continuously. Okay. I can't see. I need to look at the front. Okay, where is it? Look. Hold on. Okay, here we go. The other side, it went in no problem. I don't know what's wrong with this side. Come on. What's wrong? Huh. Okay. Hold on. There you go. Huh. Okay, the cap. This is what happens when you do this at night, but you will see the huh. Okay. Come on. I think I need to use my other hand to lock it. Something's hitting. Oh, OMG. I know. Okay, I know the problem. Okay, we have a problem. So, I don't know for. So this side, it is hitting the cover. It's hitting the cover. Huh. I don't know. Yeah, it's sticking out. It's sticking out. By the way, let's check the brightness. I'll fix it. I'll fix the cover tomorrow. But I want to test the brightness of the LED bulbs. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. And there. Huh. Yeah. I think I need to adjust this. It's pointing downwards a little bit. Anyway, you can change it. I just want to show you, you can change it without removing anything, just the air intake. On the other side, you don't have to remove anything. You can reach it from underneath here. Of course, you need to turn off the engine. There you go. Replacing the headlight bulbs at night. Let me turn off my light. There you go. And I'm gonna keep my halogen bulb inside the glove compartment just in case. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.